Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Aries Crochet, and today I share most beautiful and trendy crochet coaster design. In this video you will see some animal coaster design, plus you will see some fruit coaster designs also. I hope you like this coaster design. Enjoy this video. Watch this video till the end and stay tuned to my channel for more crochet ideas and design. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my channel by subscribing my channel and get the most beautiful and unique crochet designs. Thanks for watching.